HA Steel Chains Private Limited is Pakistan's oldest and premier manufacturer of all types of steel chains for heavy industries such as sugar, cement, chemical, paper, and fertilizer. Established in 1965, the company's management and staff are committed to producing quality chains and spares to meet client specifications. HA Steel Chains has been serving the Pakistani heavy industry for over 58 years, using quality-conscious ideologies and continuous improvement in chain manufacturing techniques to ensure the highest breaking load, excellent wear life, and increased fatigue strength. The company's complete manufacturing range consists of precision industrial transmission chains conforming to international standards, including conveyor, elevator, and special-purpose chains. HA Steel Chains has achieved international recognition for its quality products, including ISO 9001:2015 certification from the International Accreditation Registrar in the USA, and the Business Excellence Awards 2021 from Acquisition International UK. In 2022, the company received the Global Award from the UK. The manufacturing process of HA Steel Chains involves various stages. The quality starts form the designing. HA Steel Chains has an efficient, aesthetically, and technically strong in-house design department. The design department ensures that the chain meets the client's specifications and conforms to international standards. The selection of raw materials is crucial for the quality of the final product. HA Steel Chains has a meticulous inspection process in place to ensure that only the best quality iron is used in the manufacturing processes. HA Steel Chains has a dedicated research and development department that focuses on understanding wear resistance and elongation. Elongation is typically measured in percentage and is dependent on the wear of chain components, which determines the chain's life. After R&D, the product proceeds to the die and mold department. HA Steel Chains has flawless expertise in producing quality die and mold in-house. After die and molding, the procedure moves to sharing. Sharing is the process of transferring the pattern from the mold to the metal. This is done through a process called pattern making, which involves creating a replica of the mold in the metal. After sharing starts the process of hot forging. Hot forging process involves shaping the metal by heating it to a high temperature and then hammering or pressing it into the desired shape. After hot forging, it follows the welding shops where various parts are combined together in the formation of chain. And then begins another step of HA steel quality production. HA Steel Chains' state-of-the-art 12 kW fiber laser cutting machines can cut materials with high accuracy and smooth finish. The company is transitioning from old conventional machines to modern CNC machines to enhance dimensional accuracy and reliability. The product is almost ready at this step, but we proceed through 2 more steps to achieve the highest quality standards. The first is heat treatment. Heat treatment of metals involves heating and cooling metal or alloy materials to change their microstructure and physical properties. This process increases the strength, ductility, and wear resistance of the metal. After that, HA Steel Chains also ensures higher fatigue life of the chain and components through a shop penning process and preloading of the chain. The preloading ensures accurate chain length and prevents initial elongation during the running-in period. The assembled chain is preloaded to 1/3 of the ultimate strength to prevent chain component failure under working conditions. Before finishing, the chain goes through shot blasting, which removes surface contaminants, smoothens the surface, and improves the adhesion of subsequent coatings and treatment. HA Steel Chains follows a stringent lab testing procedure to ensure product quality. Our well-equipped laboratory conducts tests like tensile strength, hardness, wear resistance, and fatigue. With advanced equipment and standardized protocols, we guarantee chains that meet industry standards and exceed customer expectations. Finally, the chain is assembled and world-class industrial chain is ready to go. HA Steel Chains' commitment to quality and research has resulted in long-lasting, reliable chains for heavy industries. The company's achievements have earned the trust of its clients and international recognition, making it a leading manufacturer in Pakistan.